Hi friends and welcome to Victor's Reality. Today finally we have the Cyberpunk 2077 Xbox One X limited edition console. It's finally been released, it's sold out everywhere, so let's check out this beauty of a system. I hope you got one, so let's check it out. The cover art looks amazing on the box. You can see here the system, and this is on the reverse side. Looks beautiful, so let's open it and let's see what's inside. So here we have the AC adapter, just in standard black color. Let's put that over here. What else is here? Oh wow, they have an HDMI colored pastel blue just like the system. That is cool. I think this is a first for Microsoft or an Xbox system that has a different kind of colored HDMI cable. That is a nice touch of love with this system. You can see right away how much detail and care and love they put into this Cyberpunk 2077. Can't wait to play this beauty of a game. This is the Xbox One controller. As you can see, it's the Johnny Silverhand edition. Comes with the system, looks beautiful, no future, metallic, matte, everything is amazing with that controller. So just so you're aware, the game comes pre-installed in the system. There is no digital code. When you start up the system, it's going to prompt you and tell you which gamer tag wants to claim it. You choose the gamer tag that you want to claim the game, and it'll show up in your library. And here we have the actual stand for the console, so you can, keep it vertical if you choose to. It's going to look amazing with this. I'm happy that it comes with it, so that's awesome. I'll say it again, I hope you guys got this system at the amazing price it was released everywhere, only 45,000 consoles available. I truly hope you were able to get one. Now let's unbox this guy. Ooh, look at the blue and the yellow. Oh my gosh. No future samurai. Look, where is Johnny? Ooh, the back has a nice textured look. As you can see, it's laser cut. Man, this looks amazing. And that part, no future, as you saw in the video, that is glow in the dark. Let's see here in the front. Ooh, nice gray, silver, kind of a used up look. It looks awesome. Also right here is the glow in the dark features with those light blue. The light blue parts are the glow in the dark parts. Man, this is amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. Everything is laser cut. All the logos from the game. Look at that. It's awesome to have the controller, and it's awesome to get the SteelSeries Arctis 1 headset. As you see, everything looks beautiful with this system. All the colors, the limited editionness of it, the controller. Hope you got the matching headset. It's time to get this Cyberpunk 2077 feeling going on. We got a couple more months, so that's going to be an awesome game to play. You all know it's going to be a beauty. It's going to be amazing, and that game can't come soon enough. And to make this system glow in the dark, make sure you put it where there is enough light. I just put my standard clip-on light on the back of the system for the video purpose, and in front just so I could show you guys and so you guys can see how bright it is. And it will get bright if you leave it on. I left it on for at least an hour, so it'll be dimmer if you don't have enough light shining on it. So light has to shine on it to be able to get brighter. And again, I had it right directly on it for about an hour, and that's how you get the glow in the dark feature to work. So this was the unboxing of the Cyberpunk 2077 Xbox One X limited edition console. Only 45,000 made in the world, so I truly hope you were able to get one, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find it helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a future video. I'll see you guys in the future.